Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to install the Ailofy Smart TV Backlight. So essentially what I did was first I wiped the TV clean with the wet cloth and dry cloth that it came with. And the reason for that is you basically need to remove any dust debris that might prevent the light strip from sticking onto your TV. So after you do that, you apply the light strip and I start at the top left corner. And what I like about this TV backlight is that it has wire corners. So what I mean by that is the actual segments end with a wire, like what you see right over here. So apply the TV light strip around the TV, and then afterwards apply any additional clips for reinforcement, like this one's right here, and also wire clips as well. And then go ahead and peel the sticker off the camera, attach it to the middle of your TV, and there is an adhesive underneath the camera as well. Place it at the center of the TV and then connect it to both the light strip and the power adapter. And then once you go ahead and plug in the power adapter, you can install the app on your phone. And on the app, you should be able to find the TV backlight that you just installed as long as you have Bluetooth on. So that's essentially how to install the Ailofy TV backlight. I think it looks great. There's smart automations tied to time that come with it, but check it out for yourselves.